Hello everyone, and compliments of the season. I want to thank you for everything you have done for the brand so far. The love has been amazing. The love has been massive. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the patronage. Thank you for the referrals. Thank you for every single thing you have done for this brand. I am grateful. Thank you for advertising our brand. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for following us. Thank you for referring us to your friends and family. Thank you for the sales we just concluded. The sales was a huge success. Thank you. I hope our service gets better going forward. I hope we offer you better quality. Trust me, we are working towards that really hard, and I hope we come true for you. I hope we do better business together for those who buy from us to resell. I hope you make more profits through us. I hope we do everything better going forward. So stick with us, keep following us. If you're not following us, make sure you follow us and tell your family and friends. Don't hold this information, and stay safe. Thank you.